Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this short tutorial video I'm going to show you how you can count characters on your Microsoft Word file. So let's start the video. First of all, I'm going to open this Word file, and here you can see 9 characters is here. To count this on Microsoft Word, all you have to do, simply go to review option here, and here on the left side you can see word count. Just click that option, and as you can see all the details are here, like the page number is 1, word is 1, this is the whole word 1, and the character with no space is 9. As you can see, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the characters with space is also 9. The paragraph is 1 and line is 2. So this is a simple word count. Now I'm gonna count another file. I'm gonna go to the review again and select word count here again, and here you can see there are 2 pages. Word is 575 and all the details is available here, and you can easily do it and see your characters or word count. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will see you guys in the next video.